Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the basics of the piano. So this is for people who can't play piano or beginners. So this is how a normal piano looks like. It has black and white keys, and the black keys are in group 2 and 3, as we can see. And first, we need to find the note C. To find it, it is in the front of the group 2 black keys. So we find the C, and this C is called the middle C. And we often start learning from here. Third is the hand position. Keep your fingers relaxed and make it slightly curved. Each finger has a number. 1 is a thumb and 5 is a pinky. And try to keep your hand in this shape. And let's try playing some notes like C, D, E, F, G. Now let's try to play an easy song called Mary Had a Little Lamb. To play it, you press To improve your piano, you should practice a little every day. And that's the basic of piano. Keep practicing and you will improve.